Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Open TikTok and tap the plus to create. Record a quick clip or choose an existing video. You need footage to attach audio to. Once done, switch to your phone's Voice Memos app and pick the recording you want to use. Export it as M4A or MP3 and save to files or your camera roll so TikTok can access it. Doing this lets you import clearer audio than live recording, which helps with quality and editing control. Now import and sync the audio. In the editor, tap Sounds or Upload, then choose your saved memo from Files. Trim the clip to the exact segment you need and drag the audio waveform to align with key visual moments. If timing matters, play small sections repeatedly while nudging the audio by fractions of a second. If you prefer, use TikTok's voiceover tool to record directly while watching the video. This guarantees perfect sync, but finish by balancing sound levels. Lower the original clip and raise the imported voice memo so your message is clear. Add captions, effects, and any voice effects if needed, then preview the whole video. Once satisfied, post or save as a draft. If the audio won't import, check that TikTok has permission to access files or convert your memo to a compatible format like MP3. That usually fixes it. If sync drifts, trim a tiny bit from the start or re-import with a 1 or 2 frame adjustment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.